Hey there everyone, welcome to the Finance Hub, your go-to channel for all things personal finance and investing. And I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey toward financial freedom. At the Finance Hub, our mission is to help you make smarter financial decisions, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your investing game. Let's face it, personal finance can be confusing and overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here, we'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps so you can take control of your financial future. We'll cover a wide range of topics, including budgeting and saving strategies, smart investing tips, understanding the stock market, retirement planning, managing debt, and much more. In today's world, financial literacy is more important than ever. Whether you want to build an emergency fund, invest in stocks, or plan for your retirement, we've got you covered. So why should you subscribe to the Finance Hub? Well, here's what you can expect. Clear and concise explanations, practical tips and tricks, real-life examples and case studies, regular updates and new content, and of course, I'll be here to answer your questions and help you navigate your financial journey. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are all striving for financial success. Let's learn, grow, and achieve our financial goals together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Finance Hub.